Good day, sir. I am April Joy Bolivar from BISMA 3A, and today I will be presenting an example of an assignment problem under Applied Operations Research. So, as you can see sa tong slide, ako ang napiling assigned problem is assignment, and what is assignment problem, DI? So, it is a type of operation research method where we assign people to tasks in the best possible way. The goal is to minimize the cost, time, or effort. So in this method, each worker is assigned to only one task and each task must be done by only one workers. So, there is ato next slide is ang ato ang real life situation. So in our example, we're assigning 4 delivery drivers to 4 delivery routes. So each assignment has a cost based on fuel or distance. So our goal is to minimize the total delivery cost. So sa ato ang we create a mathematical model. So mao ni siya ato ang decision variable kani siya. And ang ato ada yung objective function kini. And ang constraints nato is ang kani siya nga ang each driver must have one route and each route must be assigned to one driver. So this is what we solve using ang Excel solver. So as you can see, mao ni siya ang ato ang cost table, and this table shows the estimated travel cost for each driver on each road. So we will use this as our data in Excel to find the best assignment with the lowest total cost. So mao ni siyang ato ang sa ato ang Excel. So I input the cost table in Excel, so diri kani nga side. Then I added another table, which is kani, where a solver would decide the assignment values either 0 or 1. So, I set the objective to minimize the total cost. So, mo ni siya. And I also added constraints nga each driver equals one route and each route equals to one driver. So, ang ato ada yung variable must be binary 0 or 1 kani siya, and mo ni siya ang katong put pasabot nga ang each driver is equal to one route and ang isa po ang each route po is equal po sa isa ka driver. So as you can see, mo nito siya ang solver results nga ang driver A is na-assign siya sa route 2 which is cost of 7, and ang driver B is na-assign siya sa route 1 which is nag-cost of 10. And ang driver C to road 3 po siya na-assign which is nag-cost of 3. And ang driver D is na-assign siya sa 4, nag-cost ni siya of 6. So, when we add them all, the total cost of the trip is 26. So, muna yung total cost 26 which is ang ihagin minimum nga possible. So, mani siya ang kabuhan nga ako ang gipangbuhat sa exam. And kani siya, sige mani siya sir ang answer report. So mani nga sa Excel gisolve gyud siya sa Excel. And for our conclusion, the assignment problem helps companies make the best decision while reducing cost and improving efficiency. And with the use of Operation Research and Excel Solver, we found the best assignment of drivers to routes with the lowest cost of 26. So that would be all for my presentation sa assignment problem, and thank you for listening.